I'm Doris. I'm one of the owners at Shasta Coin Laundry at 253 East Baseline Road in Rialto. And I just wanted to tell you, sometimes people get confused about where to put their detergent. Right now I'm in front of a 4-load front loader. The maximum amount of detergent is between 1/4 and 1/3 cup of detergent. Please don't put any more. It will slow the machine way down. It won't drain correctly. So let me show you where the detergent goes and where the softener goes. So, self-explanatory at the beginning, the detergent goes in here first before the machine starts. In this little black, I guess, portion here is where you can put your softener. The softener can go in before the load starts and it will automatically dispense it when it needs to. Once you have done that, please put this down because the water will spray out. If you need to add bleach, it will tell you in this window here, it will say when to add bleach. It's usually at the 24 to 23 minute mark, shortly after the machine starts, so don't walk away. Look for it to tell you to add your bleach. Then you can open this back up, pour your bleach in the main compartment, and the water will wash it through.